Scrambled egg recipes. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Peppers and onions scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 medium red onion diced, salt and freshly ground black pepper, 4 eggs, half a cup of crumbled cotija cheese, a third cup of chopped fresh cilantro, Cholula or other hot sauce to taste. Instructions: heat the olive oil over medium-high heat in a 10-inch non-stick skillet. Add the peppers and onions along with a good pinch of salt. Cook for a few minutes until softened to your liking. Meanwhile, scramble the eggs in a medium bowl. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Pour the eggs into the skillet and cook, pulling to the center with a silicone spatula as the set underneath until just cooked through. Divide between 2 plates and top with cheese, cilantro, hot sauce to taste, as well as more salt if you like, and some freshly ground black pepper. Number 2. Keto cream cheese scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 large eggs, 1.5 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of Philadelphia cream cheese softened, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: crack your eggs into a mixing bowl. Add the softened cream cheese and mix with a hand mixer or egg beater until well blended. It's okay if there are bits of cream cheese floating on the eggs. Optional. Mix in an additional 2 tablespoons of melted butter if you're on the egg fast diet. Melt the 2 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Tilt the pan to coat the bottom and the sides. Pour the egg mixture into the frying pan and let to sit for about 60 seconds. Gently stir in the eggs, flipping with a spatula until the eggs are fully cooked. Number 3. Glazed breakfast biscuit bombs. Ingredients: 1 16.3 ounce can of refrigerated biscuits, Pillsbury Grands, 6 eggs, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 8 slices of bacon cooked and chopped, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1.5 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a 9-inch round cake pan with cooking spray. In a large non-stick skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Whisk together the eggs and the milk. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet and let set slightly. Reduce the heat to a medium-low and stir occasionally until scrambled eggs reach the desired consistency. Season with salt and pepper. Flatten each biscuit round to about 1/4 inch thickness. Top each round of dough with scrambled eggs, bacon, and cheese. Bring the edges of the dough together and pinch to seal. Place in the pan seam side down. In a small saucepan, combine the butter, brown sugar, mustard, Worcestershire, and poppy seeds. Bring to a boil and pour over biscuits. Bake 20 to 25 minutes until the biscuits are golden and cooked through. Number 4. Hash brown waffles and Mexican scramble. Ingredients: for waffle, we need 2 cups or 475 ml of shredded hash brown potatoes, 1 cup of 240 ml finely grated cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon or 2.5 ml of salt, pepper, 1 teaspoon or 5 ml of hot sauce, half a teaspoon, 2.5 ml if you don't want this too spicy, and 2 eggs. For scramble, 10 eggs, 1 tablespoon or 15 ml of water, 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of butter, salt and pepper, 2 slices of avocado per person, cilantro, freshly chopped, and smoky salsa. Instructions: preheat the waffle iron to highest setting. Mix up the waffle ingredients. Brush a generous amount of olive oil on iron. Scoop out half a cup or 120 ml of mixture, spread in iron. Bake for 4 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Transfer to a cookie sheet and keep warm in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Mix the eggs with water. Melt the butter in a non-stick skillet until sizzling. Add the eggs and turn the flame down to low. Gently scramble Allow the eggs to remain still and cook in between motions. Once large curds form, turn off the flame and continue to cook until desired doneness. Plate the potato waffle on the plate, top with a scoop of eggs, season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Spoon over the salsa, add 2 avocado slices and top with freshly chopped cilantro. Enjoy!